guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my kitchen. Video is not just like other videos we used to do. We have a visitor in the house. It's my hubby that will be cooking today. Normally on a normal basis my hubby don't cook, so I said let me teach him how to cook my traditional pepper soup. He agreed. Thank God, I'm so happy that he agreed, guys. It wasn't easy to convince him to do this video. You guys know he don't come on camera, but for the respect that he agreed to film this video, I'm not going to show his face. You guys should just pardon that. I'm just going to show his hands while he's cooking, and you're going to hear his voice as well while he talks. But he agreed to do all that, not to show his face. I said, oh, I am so happy. So long he agreed that he's going to show his hands. The battle, I think we are winning, and we'll keep winning. So guys, what you will do, please, you have to share this video. You have to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that you don't miss any video from me. So that you know why you need to subscribe, you need to share this video, you need to like this video, so that we can get more people to this channel. That is it. And so that I'll be happy to do more, and that will make him, if this video go viral, it will make him to come to this channel. Let's do this challenge. Help me to do this challenge. So without wasting time, let me invite him to just wave to you guys. Okay? Hello, my love. My love. Bienvenue. He's just going to wave his hands, guys. Just his hands. It's okay. It's okay. I believe one day he will show his face. Say hello. Hello to my people. Say hello. Tu viens pas, c'est justement devant caméra. Ouais, dis hello.
Hello.
Juste devant comme ça. Hello. Tu vois juste devant caméra.
Hello.
C'est comme ça, tu dis devant, c'est pas là. Là, tu fais hello. C'est pas là.
Hello.
So guys, that is his hands. He's saying hello to you guys. I'm so happy. So we start without wasting time, because he told me he have a lot to do. He really has a lot to do. It's not as if he's not busy. He's so busy. I'm so happy that really he's giving me little time to do this video. So guys, let's get into this video. First, he's going to introduce to us the ingredients he's using to prepare this pepper soup. Let's go, guys. So guys, to prepare this pepper soup, we need our meat. You can use whatever meat that you like. You can use chicken, you can use whatever kind of meat you want. And we have egusi. My love, ça c'est egusi. Tu dis?
Egusi.
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 Voilà, ça c'est egusi. This is melon, and ça c'est, in our traditional language we call this iribo. Can you call this iribo?
Iribo.
Iribo. He tried, which is pepper. My local language is iribo, and so this is egusi. And we have some spices here. These are spices, mixed spices with pepper. They have so many stuff here. I just got the spices like this from Nigeria. We have potash. We have, my love, ça c'est potash. Dis-moi.
Potash.
Oui, potash. Voilà. Ere. Quand il dit ere.
Ere.
Encore.
Ere.
Il t'entend pas? Ere. Ere. That is how we call it in our local language. And this one, these black spices, we call this unyenye in our local language today. Unyenye.
Unyenye.
Oui, this one is unyenye, and this is seasoning cubes. So those are the things we need for this pepper soup. So first thing, I'm going to cut, because I don't want him to go through that stress. So I'm going to help him to cut the meat. So I'll be right back with you guys. So he just added all the meat. Then he's going to add a glass of water. Oui. Encore. Tu mets un bouillon cube. Un seul. Tu montes à légion. On voit pas, on voit pas. Monte. Voilà. Il t'a mis tes deux bas dedans comme ça. Et tu couvres. Mets de l'eau. Il y en a dans le cassou encore. Ok, sors le cassou d'ici. Oui, juste ça. Et l'autre aussi. Tu vas ajouter l'eau. Ajouter-le. Tout. Et tu vas mixer.
Je préfère que tu le fasses.
Juste blanchir. Ça pique, hein. Tu mets ton piment comme ça. Ça pique. Hein.
Bah, je fais comment?
On voit pas. Oui. Voilà. Ferme. Et tu vas plier sur la bouton. Oui, non. Non. Oui. Un petit peu. Ouh, ouh. Oui, comme ça. Tu ajoutes dedans. Voilà. Tu couvres. Appuyez. Encore, c'est pas fini. J'enlève tout ce qui est Viens prendre ça, le bouillon cube, tu ne mets pas. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon.